Here's baby Olive. She is waiting patiently to play ball. And here we go. Ready, Olive? Want to play ball? Want to play ball? Come on. Want to play ball? Okay. She is ready to play ball. This is what we did when I had a broken foot and could not take her on walks. Yeah, she's very loud. She gets very excited to play ball. Sometimes she wants me to throw it at the door. Sometimes she wants me to throw it to her so she can, I don't know what she does, trying to juggle, I think. Or maybe she's trying to throw the ball back at me. I don't know what she's doing. Now she's resting. This is her cue for I'm just going to rest for a bit. So that is my ball playing remedy for if you cannot take your dog on a walk.